Send.
I will tell him if there. I want him to work at Firewood, can't listen to us.
He can replay it so he can watch the film.
First listen with sound, then take sound off.
You mind if I have that spare and listen to it now? Thank you so much.
Well, this fucking.
Keep wanting one for a while. There's just really spacey music.
Well, I thought the Chisholm show was good.
Is there a Chisholm one?
Yes, there was.
When was that?
Last weekend?
I don't live in Chisholm anymore, so.
We know.
Probably called him that name too. But I wasn't kidding. Stop on his doorstep and pound on his door.
I don't think so. When you guys were little, I used to take you. We used to come here, and then we go to Kiwan, and then on the 4th we'd go to Virginia. No, it must have been Kiwan.
Where do they do it in Virginia? I don't ever remember going to Virginia.
Over by his lake.
They might now, but when you guys were little, we would go sit at the park that you can see right off the highway. It's got tennis courts and I don't know. It's just a little park.
Yeah.
That one year, it was snowing on us.
Oh,
It was snowing. It was so cold. Yes.
what?
Yes.
Well, he's been a couple years in us.
We were so bundled up.
I could never imagine snow this hard.
It was so cold, and we had flurries. It was in between the three, but
I love telling people that aren't from the that we've had snow and winter.
Wow.
He's another fucking fucker.
What do you mean?
he's been here long enough.
As a
Though.
kid, I don't like him.
He doesn't like anybody that wasn't born and raised here.
You need to be born and raised here.
Whew.
I almost got ran
That was a
over
lot.
by two idiots today.
I feel like I can trust him to drive in the big city since he's from one.
Right.
So if we ever go anywhere, he's our driver.
Is he from Chicago?
I think he's from the suburbs of Chicago.
I'll be in the Chicago airport on Sunday.
Well, I was just playing at one.
That's when she's going.
The bus. That's his presentation book there.
I don't get to do my presentation. I'm sure I'll be asked about it, being that our entire fucking safety board knows about it.
Either way, I'm going to go.
I'm going for leadership training.
Gonna be a boss?
I'm gonna try and be boss.
Be a boss.
Eventually.
When you were talking about, she's always been the boss. You know, the oldest, she always told us what we're supposed to be doing.
I had to take an assessment check for this whole leadership shit.
Personality.
And my top thing was responsibility. I'd kind of like to pay and see the rest of the report.
So I had to take one like a month ago now. And mine gave me my top 25. Of course, they printed it out.
This one, if I pay for it, I can read the top 30. Yeah, and I kind of want to pay for it.
Yeah, mine too. I can be like, they give me like a in-depth book on how to use each of the traits and my strengths and
just asking, do you like friends? Do you want close friends? Or do you just want everybody to like you?
I don't think that's.
Oh, believe me, it all fucking matters.
Well, I suppose teamwork makes it.
Are you a loner or do you like teamwork? Well, I guess it depends on the situation.
And they don't give you it depends.
No, they don't. Because it does. There's some things that I'd rather just do myself. There's other things that, yeah, I'd rather do. That's another one.
Another one.
I'd rather do by myself. Another one. Where's Tristan? Oh.
Watching.
Okay.
You know what I want to see? I want to go see a drone show one day.
Oh my gosh, yes.
They look so amazing.
Tristan and I watched last year. They had like America's Got Talent Extreme, it was called, and they had a drone show on there, and it was so. I mean, it looked like a flag waving, and then they built a big tower and building, and oh my god, it was so.
So, did you know Minneapolis? So Minneapolis used to be really impressive with fireworks shows. Yeah, since COVID, they have not done a fireworks show.
Really?
They do little shows now. This year, they are doing a laser show off a projection screen
Really?
in
That's
some,
neat.
in some park. So it's just a little tiny laser show. I'm like,
Love it.
what?
Look that up.
Did you know like 7 million people live in fucking